Guys, we're idiots. I mean, guys, when you're trying to just absolutely, yeah.
You're trying to ram that price of performance.
Yeah. Oh, my fellow Americans. But it does not come. I'm gonna come. Let me think of an intro real quick.
That's
fine. All right. Not quite latest. Quite.
Jonah.
I think we should punish Jonah.
Oh, I think we should punish Jonah. And when we're not sponsored, we'll even buy there from PC Hardware. Buy there from PC Hardware. Or would you have picked something else? Let us know. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Anybody? Oh. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Wait. Midnight gifted 5 subs. Let's freaking go.
Midnight.
Thank you.
Jeez.
Did you see that save, chat? Did you see that save?
Oh, someone clip that, please.
Clip that right now.
I should get some sleep.
Well, it just got a little upgrade.
This right here is the 9800X 3D, and it's very... I don't even know where I was gonna go with it.
It's very CPU. This is the Ryzen 7 Chocolate Chunk Cookie. 20 watts, which is pretty power efficient. I really hope you got enough B-roll.
He said more.
All right, CL28.
Yeah.
All right. I'm so glad that was actually he, not a customer. I just f***ed this RAM. All right. Samu-san.
Samu-san.
You can walk in, and then as you're closing the door behind you, you can say, hey, that's an SPC. What do you got there?
Just a very dark stare to the camera.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, Matt, what case is that?
Oh, have you not heard? Is that supposed to be a one cut? All right, let's do that one more time then.
Oh, have you not heard? Oh. Have you not been watching the news?
Yo.
Tyler, I got a YouTube short question for you. When was your first computer? What year?
First computer in my lifetime?
Yeah, the first one that you remember like buying or getting gifted.
Okay. My first computer was a laptop when I was 7.
7. So
that would have been, yeah, I was really young. My grandmother got me a laptop for Christmas. 7. Can't remember what brand it was, but that would have been like 98 or 99.
98 or 99. You ready?
Yep.
Wow.
Why are you looking at my dump truck?
Oh my God!
Go to HR about it, buddy.
Come here, boy. Daddy's sitting
calling
down.
me Riri, so I don't know about that.
All right, I think it's compared very nicely with the 9000X 3D. And today, we're gonna take a look at the top 5 gaming mice that are also wireless under 50. There's a lot there. There's a lot there.
I know, I went to accidentally grab one that you were grabbing.
All right, clap.
God. And on top of that, this thing is going to run so incredibly cool that it's just going to blow our socks off.
It's gonna blow our cocks off. Put the pre-built company here, and here's Gigabyte. They're just basically next door neighbors,
They're
at this point.
Have them shaking hands. But yeah, I'm sure that it's... You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
You ready now, Jonah?
I think so. What is that?
Don't worry about it. All right. I don't remember what you said. What'd you say again? Okay.
Yeah, something like that.
What?
Quit smiling. I can't. I can feel you guys. All right. I'm trying.
This gets broken.
We're no strangers to laptops with integrated.
Why is he giggling?
All right.
I knew you weren't gonna be able to keep it together. So.
No, not with that face. Looks like the Joker's filming me.
Oh God.
Now turn around and record.
Yeah.
Put your arms like this.
Best integrated graphics we've ever seen.
And The Ryzen AI 9 HX30, it's the longest name, I'm just gonna read off of it. It's 3535. Had me sitting here too long, now I'm choking. I'm gonna focus on gaming and workflow. We're really gonna be focusing on gameplay and also productivity tasks using this A9 processor. Did I say A9?
Yeah, I cannot keep it together right now.
The energies are not
My
it.
tummy
All right.
stopped hurting, I feel way better.
Okay.
Try again.
Sponsor this video to showcase this beautiful HP Omnibook. That's a really big selling point for especially bitches. Bitches. That's a very big selling point for them bitches. Yeah.
Dad, I want to play Fortnite.
Not now, son. Dad's busy.
But I did a lot of research and found a gaming PC for $159.
That does seem like a pretty good deal, son. And maybe we can make it happen this Christmas. If I still have you.
Yay! But we gotta pay the bills somehow. But first, a word from today's sponsor.
Yay!
But first, a word from today's sponsor. That's really what we're doing.
Okay, I need verbal confirmation.
Yes.
One like this, we're recording.
All right.
A word from today's sponsor. What is going on over there?
Well, that can't be in the video.
That can't go in the video.
That's how Matt's channel got banned. I would never pull out.
Costco has some pretty underrated deals on gaming PCs, and while Jonah struggles to open that door, we're gonna tell you about today's sponsor, Anker, and their Solix 1000 power station.
It's that time of the year. We're heading to. Alright. Is that? I don't like this. What do we have here?
Oh, it's another gaming PC pre-built.
I don't know if I like this pre-built. I think I'm really starting to like this pre-built.
We're gonna go ahead and open it up and see if he really likes it after a word from today's sponsor.